Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. 8:04 a.m. Central Time on Saturday, July 18th, 2015. And I've got you looking at Earthquake 3D, which is a USGS feed of the most recent earthquakes. And you can see it standing out here, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck in the Solomon Sea, Solomon Island chain. And if you've been paying attention, yesterday I issued an earthquake forecast specifically for the Solomon Islands, Solomon Sea, calling for a mid 6.0 upwards of a 7.0 earthquake to strike the area over the next few days, and now today it was hit. That's an earthquake forecast hit, 100%. Again, I'll put a link down below so you can go watch yesterday's earthquake forecast and hear me talk about the area in question. We still have 6 more days to go, so we do need to keep watch in this area as well, but this is the first 7.0 earthquake in several weeks, if not over a month. So to see that happen within a day of issuing the forecast definitely lets us know that this is able to be looked for over a period of days. So magnitude hit, location hit, time frame hit. And overall, we need to be on watch now at the other areas that were named. So again, link is down below to that. Guys, always have an earthquake plan and be prepared just in case. I'm sure the people over here, of course, this is sparsely populated somewhat, but the people that are there certainly felt that earthquake, definitely large for the region, and it's overall a sign of the greater movement taking place. We saw a new deep earthquake strike yesterday. Let me just go ahead and show you here. See it raised high off the globe here in Fiji. That was a 5.8. And when that struck, I issued a blog post telling people, hey, watch out for another magnitude higher in that 6.8 range in the area to the west in Solomon Sea. And now, just above a 6.8, 7.0 hits. Cheers, guys. Be safe.